Well, there's a bad damage was an abbey for the headlines number and what you was at the Cassia, Bobby Jim Cassia and the bro. Major is a Bibia Trust. We know trust with the review. Ye baby Nafi, ye the Afcon Hong Kong one so bro, while as a Swatras and Bibia Cos. But and come in Aji a Ghana baby Biara, you know, your Pessia, and tutu and Namonia share Casa years so. They heard to the American Ekafasa and Koma, a Western Nigerian lecturer, somewhere around 2011, 2012, or Legon, in Samako Kano. Mremuno said a city, and other matters are probably a bit me about Pianim Renim for the SSC Dinkomo, a Banisea. Yesaka, lawyer, Sosu, if I'm correct, or Ahmanaso. Lawyer, good morning. Pom to say.
Pacho, good morning. Michia, I have phone it you for Nina pay. Yanya don't be biaboko. Mijidi say Munsumo here.
Yes, we are pioneer. That's the piece. So what Jibere say, Bribia, the Tonyo maybe to say, I also didn't him dear and Media Domoneba Boama and Comono, a wee payo. Mijadi say also what I was with in Coma, a Nigerian professor, Ninkoma Wadi. Na, ya 78 year, Yempesi Becassa P. So what Jibere Tibia. Wo emremu no ususu se hefa na sese de ani kire na ase kyese
yo medase ne de kan no megidi se de kofa we nyina baaye no the crime of kidnapping any related crimes are nipa dodo na esusu se Nigeria for omo Ghana ana say Nigeria for omo di konyaba o Ghana ha no omo na omo hyesa nsembone na ase in fact bia omo susu ye no ana say sa assumption no it is not without any factual basis maybe let me akase fact be at least support this assumption because according to report ahodo ayenya no it shows some of the people involved in most of these crimes, you know. It's a robbery crime, maybe a Nigerian Bikaho. Kidnapping here by Nigerian Bikaho. And a man the Pado Dronano, acquire Omajim say, Sebio, Nigeria for now, a war Ghana, no, Omo, and a Wamushesa, we not here. Now, so very unfortunately, you know, sa thought no, and as I say, it can be a basis of xenophobic attack, and as a hate attack. Ghana na emboa international relation with not only Nigeria. But amama for many Ghana edi anase baby a Ghana Libyan so the international sphere no dia ebedi aboyen. I think that we must really rethink the way here kono and a narrative so a media landscape no must begin to change. Media must say se ye wo mra bibre Ghana hanom enti se obi di boni bi na ye ankasa as Ghanaians ye law enforcement officers no et me di jumapa na ye investigate sa crimes no ni ye hunipa wo muta crimes na ye punish wom na senya emra no esese emra ni omo di no emra ni omo di ni sa that will be the end of the issue. It doesn't matter whether nipa no Nigeria ni woye Burkina ni anase woye Angola ni. The point is that once a woye soil so already boni bi etisano ye hwehwemu na edani se nipa odi boni na dia you just be punished by the law and that is enough deterrence to obi biara obepese obi di saboni ni bi. But the conversation course na kwese o any Nigeria for any empower Nigeria for any Nigeria for any
okay, but the person here wants to pay. Nipa bi nimso kasa. Me wa kwanya se metimi kasa. Nti head na me kasa. Ene mu nyina moto gu professor so se na kasa no. Enye de huni se kasa eye opanyin akasa no wo Ghana emra ye hihye mu no What here, baby, Anna?
Oh, the point is that, what kind Article 12 of the Constitution, or see the fundamental rights now well, they are subject to the public interest and the right of other people.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a freedom of expression. And say, at any point, at any opportunity. But our dream channel has the potential of infringing on the right of other people. And the American say, no one can do it.
And in this case, what should be the approach of Ghana on this matter?
Maybe say the approach of Ghana on this matter must be number one, to change the narrative. As I say, it's an official communication of government on this matter, either from Ministry of Foreign Affairs and I say from the Minister of Information. Out now what the government position say any who say ACC na direction obia airport say any na to see a relationship with Nigeria over the years. You share the number of Nigerian businesses in Ghana, number of banks that are thriving in Ghana, and even local banks and to be and thriving within the regulatory framework. No, share Juma Omodia, and we would want to restrain that relationship now. Send if a bomb for be Afro Montemno more Ghana, and then making sure say law enforcement officers will deal with them, and then and we're training confidence building from the law enforcement agencies, that's the Ghana Police Service and all the related security services on Beba out. I'm share Ghana from crime say will be panicking say even though Yenyan yes way their cost no your mounted surveillance share near picking intelligence now obi biara or involved no so we Ghana new the only Ghana ni be na abom no mu we can assure Ghanaians say we can protect the integrity, the territorial integrity, and protect the peace and security in the country now. But you said those steps, Ghana more than say we will leave the conversation the way it is going now. So obi biara, obi better to say why you be suspicion biano. People will take the law into their own hands. It will return into lynching and xenophobic attack. And there can be a reprieval attack against Ghanaians in other countries.
All right.
And it will not help anybody.
Now, so then let me walk you through print media and on this matter of the Nigerian professor, how they've captured it, and then give me your comments. We are towing that line and still a bit slippery. We have the Ghanaian Observer. The Ghanaian Observer says Nigeria High Commissioner fires media, says xenophobic tendencies have the potential to mar Ghana-Nigeria relationships. Are you okay with this headline from the Ghanaian Observer?
I think that headline is an appropriate headline.
Daily Guide talks about don't attack Nigerians, MPs. We're okay with that?
I think that is fine.
The Informer have this one. Nigeria plots to destroy Ghana as professor reviews strategies to the onslaught and rubbishes Ghanaian acquired. And what's something saying? The Informer.
No. That I don't think that headline is appropriate. Because you see, when you want to build an international the information now the information must be such that you are going to be bringing the countries together. You are going to help people to stop the attack on people who are suspected to be Nigerians, whilst you promote the peace and the peaceful coexistence between Ghana and Nigeria. But a headline like that, definitely, I don't think it's a very good headline for public.
So we are wrapping it up with the Chronicle. Parliament cringes over Nigeria, calls on media to tone down as Anago population in Ghana hits 7 million, with 2 million Ghanaians living in Alata. Are you okay with this one?
Well, I think that is a factual. I don't know the basis of that, but the numbers now are quoting a factual. I don't think that is a bad one. I think that it is a fair position that Parliament would take because that is our law making body, and they can only, caution, say, the media must be circumspect in the way our reporters are issued in such a way that it doesn't turn, to create a situation people will be targeted because ABI or me in Nigeria for more Ghana.
Let us assume for this insight and the power of your mind on this matter. Well, show no continue. While as the AFCON and other matters in Agokensi Ebro, Bedouin on Adum TV, Multi TV.